Mastering formal permission. Would, in action. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of modal verbs, with a special focus on would for formal permission. This is an incredibly useful tool to add a touch of formality and politeness to your English conversations. Before we dive into permission, let's recap the basics. Would is a modal verb that we use in English for several purposes, such as conditional sentences, polite requests, invitations, and, of course, permission. Today, we're focusing on that last use case, permission. When asking for permission in a formal context, would is a valuable verb. It helps to soften your request and increase politeness. The general structure is, would you mind if I, followed by the action you are asking permission for. For instance, would you mind if I opened the window? Would you mind if I took a short break? In both examples, the speaker uses would to ask for permission in a polite and formal way. When responding to a request made with would, we often use the same level of formality. You can say, of course not, if you don't mind, or, I would prefer if you didn't, for a polite refusal. Here are the examples. Of course not, feel free to open the window. I would prefer if you didn't take a break now. We have a lot to cover. Now it's your turn. Try to create your own sentences using would for formal permission. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any language. And that's a wrap on would for formal permission. I hope this has been enlightening and that you now feel more comfortable using would in formal contexts. Keep practicing, and soon it'll be second nature. Until our next English language adventure, happy learning!